In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up dark mode in Metatrader 5. If you spend long hours looking at charts, a dark interface can reduce eye strain and make key information pop, especially in low light environments. Let's walk through it step by step so your workspace looks clean and comfortable. Start by opening Metatrader 5 on your computer. Once it's up, look to the top menu bar and click on View. This is where most of the layout and visual options live, and it's the quickest way to switch how the platform looks without digging through multiple windows. When the menu opens, hover over Color Themes. Hovering here reveals ready-made appearance presets that instantly restyle the platform's panels and charts. These presets are useful because they keep elements coordinated, so you don't have to fine-tune everything from scratch. Within that menu, click on Trade. This option focuses the theme set for the active trading workspace, which makes sure your charting area and key panels follow the same look. Next, click on Dark. As soon as you do, you'll see the platform shift to a darker palette. This change applies immediately, and you'll notice the menu bars, panels, and chart area adopt a low contrast look that's easier on the eyes. If some chart elements still look a bit bright, that's normal. Themes set the base, and you can refine specifics on each chart. Now move to your chart, right-click anywhere on the chart area, and a context menu will appear. This chart level menu is where you adjust how individual charts look, independent of the global theme. From that menu, scroll down and click Properties. This opens a window with options to control visual behavior, scaling, and colors. It's the control center for chart appearance. Inside the Properties window, click the Colors tab. Here you'll see a list of elements: background, foreground, grid, and more, each with a color selector. These settings give you precise control over readability and contrast. At background, choose a dark background color that suits your preference. A charcoal or near black tone is a great starting point for dark mode because it keeps the focus on price action while reducing glare. Pick a shade that balances comfort and clarity. The darker the background, the more your existing candles and indicators will stand out. If your chart uses bright candles or lines, a softer dark gray can provide enough contrast without feeling harsh. As you confirm your choice, take a quick look at the chart to ensure text and price scale remain legible against the new background. That's it. You've enabled the dark theme and set a proper background for your charts in Metatrader 5. Enjoy a more comfortable, focused trading workspace.